ain't chasing perfection, I'm chasing growth. Every day, a better me.
I had to sit with myself in the quiet. No distraction, no noise to deny it. All the excuses I used to defend started sounding weak when I faced them within. I blame my past for the way I react, blamed other people for what I lack. But healing start when you tell the truth. Can't grow strong if you hide the root. I seen potential I never applied. Dreams I postpone, just feeding my pride. I asked God why I'm stuck in place. He said you comfortable, that's the way.
If I want change, I gotta move. If I want light, I face the truth. I can't pray for growth, then run from you.
I just wanna be a
better me, more love, less ego in me, closer to who God made me to be. Every day step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping better me.
I stopped waiting for a perfect time. Started working on my inner mind. Discipline where my feelings felt. Choosing growth when comfort, yeah. I ain't competing with who ahead. I'm competing with thoughts in my head. Every bad habit I entertain is just another broken chain. So I wake up and I pray first. Even when change feel like it hurt. Consistency over high, daily steps overnight. I fall short, but I don't quit. God still working brick by brick. I ain't finished, I admit, but I'm further than I've ever been.
Mold me, shape me, even when it breaks me. Teach me, guide me, keep your hand beside me. I just wanna be a better me, more love, closer to who God made me to be. Every day, step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping a better me.
This Eid al-Azha, I stay close to what matters with Remitly.
Yeah. This one wasn't easy to admit, but growth never is. Listen.
I used to wear my pride like armor on my chest. Thought being strong, man, I never confessed. I kept my wounds hidden, smile through strain. Told myself I'm good while I'm drowning in pain. I wanted respect, I wanted control. Didn't know surrender was good for my soul. I pushed people away just to prove I was fine. Didn't realize ego was wasting my time. God kept knocking, locking the door. Thought I knew better, thought I needed no more. But every time I fail, I blamed everything else. Never start to look in the mirror myself. I've been holding on too tight, trying to win every fight. But please don't come with being right. They come when I let go tonight.
I'm putting my pride aside, laying my weapons down. I don't gotta always fight. God got me now. I'm putting my pride aside,
Putting my pride aside,
letting His love decide.
letting His love decide.
I don't need to be in control
To know,
I'll be alright.
yeah. I used to think asking for help was weak. Now I know strength come when you speak. I carry burdens I was never meant to hold. Tried to play grown before my heart was whole. I wanted grace but wouldn't give it back. Wanted mercy but stayed on attack. God checked me gently, said look inside. You asking me to heal what you keep feeding with pride. I lost moments trying to prove a point. Lost peace chasing every disappointment. Now I choose growth over winning debates. I'd rather be healed than dominate. If you gotta humble me, then and humble me right. If I gotta be still, I'll wait on your light. Take this weight, take this fight. I trust you more than my own self.
My pride aside, laying my weapons tight. I don't gotta always fight. God got me now. I'm putting my pride aside.
Laying my pride aside.
Letting His love decide.
Letting His love decide.
I don't need to be in control
To know
I'll be alright.
Yeah, now I listen more than I speak. Learn patience, make you strong, not weak. Yeah, I'm a tired judge when I'm wrong. Even when my ego say hold on. I don't need to be seen as the toughest in the room. God working in silence, that's power too. If it costs my peace, I let it go. If it feed my pride, I tell it no. I'd rather walk humble and sleep at night than be loud, defensive, and live in the fight. This growth uncomfortable, but it's real. God breaking me gently so I can heal. I ain't losing myself, I'm finding me when I put my pride aside.
Yeah. I spent too long trying to control everything. And I realized peace starts when you let go and let God. I used to grip light tight with both hands closed, trying to force outcome nobody knows. If it didn't move how I planned it to go, I stressed all night like I lost control. I carried weight that wasn't mine to hold, trying to predict every twist in the road. But every time I try to run ahead, God slow my steps just to clear my head. I thought surrender meant losing the fight, but sometimes surrender the reason you right. I had to learn faith, ain't proving you strong. It's trusting God even when things go wrong. Every burden I release, turn into a deeper peace. When I stop trying to see it all, I hear the quiet when He calls.
Let go and let God. He sees the road ahead when I can't understand. He's guiding every step. Let go and let God.
No reason to fear the fall. What's meant for my life won't miss me at all.
Let go and let God.
I was fighting battles I couldn't win, arguing with fate, wrestling with them, trying to control what people say, trying to control how things would play. But peace came when I stepped aside, when I stopped feeding my ego and pride. Some things only heaven can fix, some storms only patience can mix. I stopped chasing answers overnight, started trusting divine inside. God don't rush what He refined, everything unfolding in time.
Take my word, take my doubt, take the fear, I'm letting out. Lead me forward, light the way, I trust you more. With that, let go and let God. He sees the road ahead when I can't understand. He's guiding every step. Let go and let God.
No reason to fear the fall. What's meant for my life won't miss me at all.
Let go and let God. He sees the road ahead when I can't understand. He's guiding every step. Let go and let God.
No reason to fear the fall. What's meant for my life won't miss me at all.
Let go and let God.
Now I breathe deeper when trouble appear. Not every storm, something to fear. Some of them lessons shaping the soul, teaching patience, teaching control. I still plan, but I hold it light, knowing God adjust the flight if He redirect. I trust the design, His wisdom greater than mine. So if the future's still unclear, I'll keep walking without the fear. Cause when I loosen my grip on the odds, I finally let go and let God. Not everything needs my control, not every answer needs to be known. Sometimes faith simply means let go.
Let go and let God.
I used to ask why me. Now I look for the lessons. I used to cry about the pain. Now I thank Him for the blessings. Thank you. Oh, blessing, blessing, blessing. Oh, every time I stumbled, every time I failed, I thought I was lost, thought I caught another L. But looking back now, I can finally see every fall was setting up a victory for me. The closed doors, the heartbreaks, the plans that went wrong were just God's way of teaching me to be strong. The delays, the detours, the waiting in the night were all just growing pains to get my faith right. I used to count my losses, now I count my gains. Every struggle had a purpose, every scar had a name. What I thought was breaking me was building something new. Now I see the blessings in the lessons, keeping my faith true. There's a blessing in the lessons, there's a blessing in the struggle. Every test had a testimony, every hurt had a healing. There's a blessing in the lessons, there's a blessing in the pain. What I thought was killing me was God breaking my chain, breaking my chain. I remember when my back was up against the wall, didn't know which way to turn, thought I'd lose it all. But that pressure taught me how to pray for real. When your back's against the wall, that's when you learn to really real. The presence of a God who never leaves your side, the one who walks with you when you can't run and hide. If the streets was the classroom, life is the test, teaching me that God's love is above all the rest. I stopped asking when will this end and just started following His plan. I stopped begging for the easy road and started trusting in His hand. Now every time I look back, I see the thread of grace weaving through my history, putting me in place. There's a blessing in the lessons, there's a blessing in the struggle. Every test had a testimony, every hurt had a healing. There's a blessing in the lessons, there's a blessing in the pain. What I thought was killing me was God breaking my chain, breaking my chain. I learned patience in the waiting, I learned trust when I was scared, I learned faith when nothing happened, I learned peace when nobody cared, I learned joy in the middle of morning, I learned hope when dreams seemed dead, I learned praise when I was broken and found a breakthrough instead. So if you're in the darkness right now, feeling like it'll never pass, just hold on to what I'm telling you. This season won't last. In the lessons, there's a blessing in the struggle. Every test had a testimony, every hurt had a healing.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I pray for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should've prayed with T-Fly. I could've got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should've called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC. Pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace Jade and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foolie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarlane, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God to direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I...
Good morning, chat. What's up? What's up? Good morning, gang. How you guys doing? What's up, Roby? What's up, Rico? How you doing, man? What's up, Reese? How you doing? What's up, Michael? Shout out to 11 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning. Happy Wednesday, you all. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday. What's up, Robius? How you doing? What's up? What's up? What we got here today? What happened on chart here? Oh, respecting. What's up, Brian? How you doing? Good morning. All right, let's do the top down here. Let's start with the daily time frame. So, what we got in the daily time frame here? We have a new resistance form, right? We got new resistance form sitting right here. We still have candles still respect this area, and right now we have a support 4 right here, and we stuck in a range. This candle closed heavy. I thought this candle gonna close heavy bearish yesterday, but did not close. You know, I'm expecting this to happen because I'm expecting to grab the sells going down today, but didn't happen, you know. And right now we stuck in a range once again. If we're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame, so the daily, as you can see, there's no target yet. Okay, so overall target on the daily is probably down here below the support. I mean this kind of support. Though we got some structure on the left hand side, but I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna look at this as structure because we are rebroking the previous candle low here. So this candle should move down even further yesterday, but didn't push through. And right now, we are hovering around here on price. How many pip we moved just for half in a day here? 300, almost 400 pip move. Right? Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So man, the 4-hour time frame makes sense now because yesterday we marked the same levels. We have resistance form, we got a support sitting right here, and we got some fake out here. Got some fake out, right? And then right now we see some fake out once again here. So this the price action right now is gonna be tricky because we're gonna see multiple faked out, and I don't know if we're gonna move down even further for the rest of the day. I don't know if we can grab this to potential move down, but for me, a range. And we have news later tonight? Yeah, we got PPI. So CPI is just, you know, hovering around on the zone here. So this is the CPI move, right? So it's tricky, hovering around on price here. So yeah, so later tonight we got PPI here, and we still stuck in a range. We still in the support level and the resistance level here. So there's no directions yet, right? There's no directions on the higher time frame. For our time frame, there's no directions, and as you can see, the daily is just printing side by side. But we're trading lower time frame. We're trading 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So it's still decent, it's still decent range, right? So let's drop down to the hourly time frame here. So the hourly, as you can see, okay, consolidations here. Candles are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours of consolidations right now, and yeah, not look good here, right? Look at that, not look good. So 30 minutes is looks the same too. So yeah, I mean, look at that. So multiple support here, support level, resistance. So yeah, man, no buenos, huh? Yesterday I didn't take any trades because, this kind of price action is not really good. Grabbing orders at the top, grabbing orders at the bottom, and then you don't have any directions. I don't wanna, we don't wanna jump in the trades without any directions, right? That's why I call it a day there, and then that's it. Trading, we just need to weigh. Otherwise, man, the market will slap you in the ass, slap you in front of your face. If you don't have any patience on this kind of market condition, man, you're ganzo. All right, so what we got here? We got resistance level here. How many pip we can move up here? 100 pip. Okay, nice. Moving down here, 100 pip. Okay, nice. So yeah, I'm gonna mark this. This is gonna be my zone for the day. And if this candle moves like a pretty clean candle, if this candle move a pretty clean like this, and then tap a support and then create a new support form, yeah, we can grab some potential buys here going up to retest the high once again. But right now, this is gonna be the zone. For now, this is gonna be a red zone, okay? If we see the price action moving down towards to the downside, clean range, and then new support form, yeah, from there we're gonna grab it. So yeah, man, chat. If you have any questions, let me know. Right? If you're new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel, like the stream, and that's it. The bias for today, right now I don't have any bias because we still in the range, right? In the higher time frame, daily okay, it's bearish, but the weekly, okay, weekly is bullish. It's like kind of tricky here. We just tricky. I don't have I in a day. As long as the daily, let's say the daily is bearish, I'm happy with that. I'm happy for like taking sales going down. But if you're gonna look for higher time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, yeah, it's kind of tricky because you need to correlate this in the lower time frame too. But I'm not holding a trade a little bit longer, but I need to consider this as a higher time frame, and it's a bullish. Right now we're just stuck in a range, so there's no bias yet for me. Right? Look at that. Daily look at this daily here. Do daily closure. Enable for you to have a bias for the day. This daily the previous one should close like this. But didn't close. It didn't close. Kind of small body, kind of close doji, but it doesn't make sense. So yeah. For now, we don't have any bias yet. I don't have any bias. We stuck in a range. So we're gonna wait. All right, we're gonna wait. Hello, Rosaline. I thought I was kicked out of the stream yesterday. I have net problem yesterday, and right now yesterday they fixed the Wi-Fi, and yeah, I have a problem with the router, so they changed the router, the new one, new model. Right now is speed, speed like a Sonic. Char's ugly today. Yeah, true that. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. We're gonna get it today. Haven't taken any trade yet on the Monday, Tuesday. So let's see if we can grab some potentials trades today. But I'm not gonna rush. We have PPI. Probably Yesterday we start to chop around a lot around London, right? And then until NY still chop and yeah, cannot do anything there. Did you bought a funded account on the RIS? The same we ACG, you're still using ACG or what? Boom, 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 boom. Anyway, yesterday's was yeah, man. I didn't touch anything. Okay, nice. Yeah. Any trades today, man? No trades for me yet. So we are waiting here. Yeah, I mean the price action yesterday. Yeah, we got a volume here, but direction wise, no directions. Yeah, man, look at that. Even if we're gonna mark this levels support, okay, we have again we have resistance level and candle. Look at this fake out here. Look at that. Didn't rebroke the high and then still pushing down. And I cannot take sales here without any top wick here. You cannot take sales, but the 30 minutes makes sense, you know. But this is not my time. It's around 8, 7. So yeah. So it happens. On buys too, look at that. Sorry. Look at the rally here towards to the upside. Doesn't look good. No structure. So yeah. Better to stay away yesterday and do something else. W week, yeah, W week Rico, man. How much you got? 10 buns now? How much? How much you got, man? How much payout coming up? How much payout? Almost 1K, man. That's funded next, no? Funded next. W1K, man. All right. We're gonna close. Sarly, man. Ugly here. Ugly closure. No buenos. 30 minutes, man. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Too many support to the left, so we cannot take sells here. Pretty much selling is gonna be here, but probably take time. I know we're here to learn. We're here to adapt. We're here to adapt. We're here to adapt. In this kind of price action, either you break up above, you break below, it's gonna move pretty heavy here. Right? We are stuck in a range. Look at that. So the structure look like this now. If candles, if candles starting to break out, it will break out pretty heavy. It will break out pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Any questions? If you got any questions, let me know. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. All right. Can we move down even further here on 4691? Can we top 4691 levels? 4691.
Girls, that's haram. Looking at girls, that's haram. Letting your sister go in a school where there are other boys, that's haram. Letting your I can have four wives. Okay, great. Okay, great, Mr. Mullah. If you can have four wives in Islam, then why don't you follow Islam from A to Z? Why don't you follow Christianity from A to Z? And then do the things that they're saying to do. Man, retards coming up over here. Are you Shia? No.
Hmm.
Where did this Shia come from? What are you guys talking about? I talk only music. Well, there are other things in Islam that are haram too. So don't talk about music is haram in Islam. I know you listen to music. But yeah, there's a thing happening over here now. Do I keep in mind if you plan on having a project manager in UAE, have my own golden visa insurance too? Project manager,
The goat ski, huh? A goat ski, man.
send me your CV, and then and then and then we'll take a look at that. Honestly, to be honest, we hired three project managers in the last 4 months, and
The goat ski. Right? Look at Raja, man. Look at how he wait for the structure. It's pretty much the same. No trade, no trade. Otherwise, nothing. You're not. We're not gonna force anything. Chad, what's the deal today, man? Oh, people are dipping off now. People are dipping off. There's no trade today. They know that there's no trade. They don't want to happen. Believe me, man. It is better to not to take trade or force a trade, because once you happen to the chart, you see the chart, you hunt the trade. It's just a trade. For me, I'm happy. No trading days. So 3 days no trading day. It's okay. It's okay. Bum, 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 bum. Chat, can I see 10 likes in the stream here? Just like the stream, man. Can I see 10 likes? Can you like the stream? Do do do. Do, 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 do. Boo, 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 boom, boom, boom. Nothing. 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 Do, do, do. Mhm. Oh, it's going to the support area. Nice. Yeah. uh, 70 pip. Nothing today, gang. Nothing. Nothing today. All right, no closure yet. So we're gonna wait. Oh, nothing here. Give me a second, chat. Dollar's bull. All right. 5 minutes here. Dang. Stuck in a range and then oh 76 pip kind of, you know. Let's see how this 30 and 15 gonna close. Rebroke the high now.
Now hear me out. We're ranging at this point, and if I want to measure this range, this is a 170 pip range of depth. What I would do at this point, I would want to wait to see if a candle can literally break and close below this zone. If you can break and close below the zone, we have this range where price can move in. At the same time, if we can break and close above this zone, then there's this range here to the left hand side where price can move up. But you gotta understand this, even if you see this range right over here, your heart and your mind will tell you that I have to get a trade. I have to take a buy. We're trading a sport. We're gonna do all this. Because the thing is, it's not important to be in a trade every time you're looking at the chart. You should only be in a trade when you have seen ranges here to the left hand side. Look at this range right over here. This is this range. This is so you can
Yeah, chat. Yeah, man, nothing here for us. Nothing here. So this is a no tradable zone, no tradable range. Okay, so stay away with this. I don't like the price action, how the candles are printing here side by side. Probably, yeah, I'm gonna wait for PPI here. Green zone's probably much better for us, to take a trade. But right now, nothing. We're stuck in a range. Cannot force anything here on chart. But yeah, man, chat, I'm gonna call it stream here. Thank you, gang, for tuning into the live stream today. Really appreciate y'all. W stream today. W's in the chat. W wisdom, W discipline, W patience today. And yeah, see you guys again tomorrow. Peace and love, everybody. See you, gang. Chat. W all the way out here. Peace.
Yeah. This one wasn't easy to admit, but growth never is. Listen.
I used to wear my pride like armor on my chest. Thought being strong, man, I never confessed. I kept my wounds hidden, smile through strain. Told myself I'm good while I'm drowning in pain. I wanted respect, I wanted control. Didn't know surrender was good for my soul. I pushed people away just to prove I was fine. Didn't realize ego was wasting my time. God kept knocking, I kept locking the door. Thought I knew better, thought I needed no more. But every time I fail, I blamed everything else. Never start to look in the mirror myself. I've been holding on too tight, trying to win every fight. But please don't come with being right. They come when I let go tonight.
I'm putting my pride aside, laying my way
used to think asking for help was weak. Now I know strength come when you speak. I carry burdens I was never meant to hold. Try to play grown before my heart was whole. I wanted grace but wouldn't give it back. Wanted mercy but stayed on attack. God checked me gently, said look inside. You asking me to heal what you keep feeding with pride. I lost moments trying to prove a point. Lost peace chasing every disappointment. Now I choose growth over winning debates. I'd rather be healed than dominate. If you gotta humble me, then humble me right. If I gotta be still, I'll wait on your light. Take this weight, take this fight. I trust you more than my own self. Check. Hey, whoa, yeah, yeah. I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. For anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. When you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are His best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that He loves you and He can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter